What I love most about this design is the colorway. You'll see various shades of reds and pinks and colors that are really rooted in the female touch, but they're bold in their saturation, which I think is a great expression of the way that I hope I navigate and show up in life. I love the delicacies of who I am, but I also love the spicy boldness that I show up with, and that's what I wanted in here. I'm Marie Cloud of Indigo Pruitt Design Studio, and I created an original collection with Spoonflower. Our product housing is blueprint, and we knew we wanted to partner with Spoonflower because of that relational equity that we felt from the minute that we touched base. And so they are our first partnership under that blueprint housing, and we're honored to partner with them and bring some of our fabulous designs under that umbrella. Each collection has their own kind of extremities of boldness and risk. You know, we had a very organic, boho, earthy, biophilic direction that felt very grounded and rooted. That's where Inner Calm came from. Those are typically the clients that love a neutral palette or colors that feel very muted, but they're not afraid of pattern, right? And then we have the opposite of that, which is vivid rhythm, which is my jam, right? Those are the clients that love color, they love pattern, they love mixing patterns. They love things that feel very artistic in its hand. So that's where vivid rhythm came from. And then you have the wow essence, which is the wild child that again is very rooted and has some subtle boho vibes similar to Inner Calm, but it has a little spice to it. It may have just more of a stiffer hand that's going to be connected with nature. That is the wow essence of that collection. And then we have Heritage Charm. That is going to bring in traditional elements. The way that I see traditional design and traditional pattern, which is things that may feel familiar and you don't quite know why it feels familiar. You have seen this beautiful landscape somewhere, but we've added a different colorway that feels very modern and very fresh. Or you may have seen this playful plaid, but we may do it in this beautiful watercolor hand that feels, again, very artistic. We took some time to really do some good research and get a feel for what are the various profiles of our clientele history, and these seem to be the four. And we wanted to put them out into the world so that everyone felt seen, they felt celebrated, so that they felt as though, hey, there is a capsule of wallpaper and fabrics that is for me, my aesthetic, and I'm ready to jump into it.